Before spring break, we looked at multiplying fractions times whole numbers. And in that case, we found out that sometimes the answer can be greater than the whole number, sometimes the answer can be equal to the whole number, and sometimes the answer can be less than the whole number. It all depended on the size and type of fraction. Let's review starting with proper fractions. A proper fraction is a fraction less than 1, like 1/3 is less than 1. When I multiply by a proper fraction less than 1, my answer is going to be less than my whole number. In this case, we know that 1/3 times 6 is going to be less than 6 because I'm not going to have a whole complete group of 6. We also looked at fractions equal to 1, like 3/3 is equal to 1 whole. And in this case, 3/3 times 6 is going to be equal to 6 because I have one whole group of 6. The last type of fraction we looked at was improper fractions, or fractions greater than 1 whole. And in this case, 4/3 is greater than 1, or bigger than 1 whole. So my answer is going to be greater than 6 because I'm going to have a whole group of 6 and some more. Let's look in more detail about how to solve these problems, and remember to use your estimating skills to check to see if your answer makes sense. Let's start with 1/3 times 6. If you're looking at a problem like 1/3 times 6 with a fraction and a whole number, I want you to think of the times sign as the word of. I want to take 1/3 of 6. If I'm eating a cookie and I want to take half of it, then I need to split it in half. If I'm eating a cookie and I want to take 1/3 of it, I need to split it into thirds. How many pieces would there be in thirds? 3 equal pieces. I need to split my 6 wholes into 3 equal groups or 3 equal pieces. This kind of sounds like division, so I'm going to use the strategy where you draw 3 circles and you split up your 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have split my 6 into 3 equal pieces. This is 1/3, this is 1/3, and this is 1/3. I have 3 equal pieces, 2 in each. So how much is 1/3 of 6? Let's look and see. I need one of these thirds. Count with me. 1, 2. 1/3 of 6 is 2 because I took 6 and I split it into thirds. 1/3 of 6 is 2. Let's try another example. 1/4 of 12. 1/4 of 12. I want to take my 12 and split it into fourths. If I'm splitting into fourths, how many equal pieces do I need? I need 4 equal pieces. So I'm going to draw 4 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and split up my 12 equally or evenly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have split up my 12 into 4 equal groups. How much is 1/4 of 12? Well, I have 1/4 here, 1/4 here, 1/4 here, and 1/4 here. Let's look and see how much is inside 1/4 of 12. I have 1, 2, 3. So 1/4 of 12 is 3. You might start to notice a pattern. If I look back, I see 1/3 of 6 is 2. Well, what is 3 times 2? I see 1/4 of 12 is 3. What is 3 times 4? This is an interesting pattern that some of you may notice. Let's try this again. 1/5 of 20. If I'm splitting it into fifths, then I need 5 equal groups or 5 equal pieces. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to split up my 20.